Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you scrambled eggs, but it's gonna be American method. So scrambled eggs American. So if you want to know if your egg is good, just put it on a surface, flat surface, and spin it. If it stays one place and spin, it's good. Immerse it on the water. If it floats, if it sinks, it's good. When you crack it, you smell it just a little bit before you break it. If it's good, it's good. If it's spoiled, you'll definitely know. Alright, so once you break an egg, you measure out 1/4 teaspoon of salt, sea salt preferably, and use your whisk, or if you don't, use a fork like you see me doing, and just whip the egg properly for 30 seconds to a minute. So you put a skillet or frying pan to heat, put the stove's gauge on low, halfway between low and half. Make sure the stove's gauge flame is on low, very low. Alright, so you take once the pot is hot, just allow it to get hot for. Alright, so you add the butter, 1/4 teaspoon of butter in your heating pot. Alright, so once the butter is melted, you just add the whisk egg to your heating pot. Alright, so this is scrambled eggs American. That's what I'm calling it. Alright, so use your spatula and just gently move the egg from side to side. Don't break it up fine, just use a spatula and just move the egg from side to side in the heating pot, forming scrambled eggs. This scrambled egg is going to be moist and soft. So you just do as you see me doing until you make scrambled eggs American. Alright, so that took 2 minutes or thereabout. I cooked it in front of your face, so you saw the time for yourself. Alright, so you serve it. You can serve it with pancakes, eggs, and sausage, or you can eat it by itself. That's it. So scrambled eggs American. Notice the plate. The plate says America. Scrambled eggs America. Soft, delicious, and moist. Scrambled eggs. Look at the heat. The steam coming off the eggs. The steam coming off the scrambled eggs. Alright guys, visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. So you take some more of your syrup, your pancake syrup, maple syrup preferably. You just take some of your scrambled eggs, and if you add some sausage or bacon, that would be good too. If you want to see how I prepare sausage, visit JamaicaDinners.com, look for sausage, and so bacon. Alright, so this is delicious, sweet and nice. Pancakes are nice, and the scrambled eggs are nice. This is a typical breakfast that you'll get in most fast food restaurants in America that serves breakfast. This is homemade, so it's better. I'm not just saying so, people. It is nice. Whenever I make pancakes like this from the scratch. I don't buy the ready-made ones and just add water and egg. No, I just make my own. It's very easy. You saw me do it in front of your eyes. You can try it for yourself. The only thing I wish I had here that would make it more interesting is the sausage or bacon or ham. Some fried ham would be good too. Alright, so just visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Enjoy and comment, share and like.
Yeah, man!